Maine has become the 5th state to allow gay marriage. Good evening, I'm Carolyn Castleberry.
And I'm Lee Webb. The governor of Maine has signed a bill passed by the state Senate there and House to legalize same-sex marriage. Maine joins Massachusetts, Connecticut, Vermont, and Iowa in changing the definition of marriage. CBN's Mark Martin is in our newsroom with more. Mark?
That's right, Lee. It didn't take long for Maine's governor to sign the bill today approving gay marriage. Democratic Governor John Baldacci signed it shortly after lawmakers approved the measure. Now, in the past, Baldacci said he was against gay marriage but supported civil unions. Today, he changed his mind. Maine is now the 5th state to legalize same-sex marriage. The bill authorizes marriage between any two people rather than between one man and one woman, as state law currently allows. The state Senate president turned the gavel over to an openly gay Senate member to preside over the final vote. Republican State Senator Deborah Plowman argued the bill was being passed, quote, at the expense of the people of faith. But the Senate Majority Leader and governors say the bill does not force religious institutions to recognize gay marriage. Lawmakers rejected an amendment that would have allowed a statewide vote on the issue in November. But Chief Counsel Jay Sekulow of the American Center for Law and Justice says the people of Maine still have a legal avenue to overturn that decision.
There is in Maine, it's called a people's veto. They have the right, if you can get 10% of the population to petition to overturn a piece of legislation, 10% of the voting public, which means whoever voted in the last, if you had 500,000 voters in the last governor race, the gubernatorial race, you need to at least get 10% of those to sign a petition. But it's a people's veto exists in Maine, so if they can get enough citizen support, they can get a vote on this issue. So it's not over yet. There is a way for the citizens of Maine to engage the issue.
Today's move brings New England closer to allowing gay marriage throughout the region. New Hampshire lawmakers are poised to send a gay marriage bill to their governor. If he signs it, Rhode Island would be the only New England state where gay marriage is not legal. However, in Rhode Island, a bill to legalize same-sex marriage has been introduced, but it's not expected to pass this year. Reporting in the newsroom, Mark Martin, CBN News.